Are toners really necessary in your skincare routine? That is the question for today. We're going to have a talk about toners, what they are, and if they are really essential and beneficial in your skincare routine. So, guys, hi, welcome to my channel. My name is Mathilda. Now, let's talk about toners. First of all, what are toners? A toner is a liquid you apply on your skin after cleansing to either hydrate your skin or exfoliate your skin or do both. In the early days, toners had a whole different function. Toners were used to remove excess sebum from the skin. Those toners usually had denatured alcohol and they would dry out the skin. Well, what they didn't know was that they were trying to prevent oil from the skin, but them drying out the skin with denatured alcohol was even making the skin more oilier because you are now depriving the skin of the necessary oils that it should have contained because you are now over drying the skin. Now, the other thing toner was used for was to remove extra dirt from your skin after cleansing. So after you use your cleanser, you go in with a toner and a cotton pad to clean out any excess dirt that you did not remove when you took off your makeup. Now, right now in the skincare community, there is a debate on whether toner should be used as an extra step in cleansing your skin or it should not be, mostly because they say that if you use the right cleanser, if you are double cleansing, your toner should not be what you rely on to cleanse your face. So that is a debate. You guys, let me know in the comment section. Do you think toner should be used as an extra layer of cleansing, or what do you think? Now, the other way toners were used back in the day was that it was used to balance the pH of the skin after cleanser. Before, the cleansers that were produced, they were really drying and dehydrating. So they were so drying that they would disrupt the pH of the skin, and that would cause even more problems. So the way they try to fix it was by creating toners. So those toners, they would balance the pH of the skin after using those dehydrating cleansers. Now, the cleansers that are being produced, they are well pH balanced, so there is really no need for you to use toners in that regard, because the cleansers, like the cleanser I'm using, it has a pH of 5.5. So that type of cleanser, you don't really need a toner to balance your skin pH again, because the cleanser is well balanced. So you see that the reason why we were using toners before are kind of getting debunked, but now there are really some new functions of toners. Now let's talk about it. Now, toners are used to give your skin an extra layer of hydration. The toners that are being produced nowadays are really filled with hydrating ingredients like hyaluronic acid, glycerin, and the rest of the rest. Now, the other purpose of toners right now is to nourish your skin. The toners being produced right now, they are really packed with so many skin enriching ingredients, from ceramides to niacinamide, you name it, they got it all. So these toners of nowadays, they are really nourishing to the skin. Now, the last way that we use toner right now is to exfoliate, which brings me to the next point, which are the different types of toners. But before we talk about the different types of toners, let me just let you guys know when you should be using your toners. What step in your routine should you be placing your toners in? Because the right order of skincare is really crucial to getting flawless skin. After you finish cleansing your face, the next thing you should be using is a toner. So your toner should always be after cleansing or before your moisturizer, but after cleansing. Now, we have different types of toners, and I'm going to be highlighting the two major types of toners, which are hydrating toners and exfoliating toners. Now, this is an example of a hydrating toner. This is the Pixie Botanical Collagen Tonic. This is filled with lots of peptides and it helps to hydrate the skin. Now, this is the Pixie Glow Tonic, 5% glycolic acid. This is an exfoliating toner which contains the AHA glycolic acid. If you want to know more about exfoliation, I have done a detailed video, so you can definitely check it out right here to know more about exfoliating and how to do it the right way. Now let's talk about hydrating toners, which are these. Hydrating toners are really good if you have dry skin because it gives you that extra layer of hydration. If your skin is dehydrated, hydrating toners are really nice to have in your routine. Also, if you have combination skin, hydrating toners are also really good because of those hydrating ingredients that they contain. Now, now, what is the best way to apply hydrating toners like this? You don't want to be applying your hydrating toners with a cotton pad. Why? Because the cotton pad is, first of all, is going to absorb almost half of the product you put in. When you pour the hydrating toner in your cotton pad, the amount you're going to put on your face and the amount of the cotton pad, there's a very huge difference. So you lose almost half of the products you apply to the cotton pad, because the cotton pad absorb everything before it even gets to your skin. And also, another reason why you don't want to be using cotton pads with hydrating toners are because when you use a cotton pad, you are actually likely exfoliating your skin, because you will be rubbing the cotton pad around your face, and you don't want to be doing that because it causes over exfoliating. So when you're exfoliating, when you don't even want to exfoliate, that becomes a problem. So the best way to actually apply hydrating toners are to put it directly in the palms of your hands, then apply it on your face. You can tap it in or you can rub it in, but cotton pads are not really the best way to apply hydrating toners. But guys, let me tell you something. Sometimes I still use cotton pads to apply my hydrating toners. Let me not even lie, I do it sometimes. So if you're guilty of doing it, it's okay. You know, sometimes you can break the rules a little bit, right? So I hope you're enjoying the video. Please subscribe to my channel, support your girl, and give this video a thumbs up, please. Love you. So now let's talk about exfoliating toners. I won't be doing a really deep dive in what exfoliating means, because I already did a video on that, which you can check in my previous videos. So this is an example of an exfoliating toner. Exfoliating toners, they generally help to exfoliate your skin and treat whatever skincare problems that you are facing, depending on the type of exfoliant you choose. This is a glycolic acid toner, so this would generally do more of a brightening effect than doing anything relating to acne and the rest. Now, what is the best way to apply exfoliating toners like this? Exfoliating toner, another example of an exfoliating toner is the popular Paula's Choice BHA toner. That is an exfoliating toner. So the best way to apply your exfoliating toner is not in the palms of your hands. No, the best way is actually to use a cotton pad. You apply the toner on the cotton pad, then gently rub it around your skin, because when you use a cotton pad, you're going to effectively apply it evenly all over your skin. And one important thing when it comes to exfoliating is making sure that you're applying it evenly around your skin. And another reason why a cotton pad is better to use to exfoliate, because while you are rubbing it around your face, it will also allow you to exfoliate even more effectively, because that rubbing process is also a way of exfoliating. So it's just like an added effect using a cotton pad to achieve that result. So I've talked a lot about the benefits of toners, but here's the thing you need to take note of. You need to avoid toners with alcohol. These two toners right here, the collagen tonic and the glow tonic, these two toners, they do not contain alcohol. Why do you want to avoid toners with alcohol? Because those toners are going to dry out your skin and even cause you to be more oily than you were before. Any toner that has drying alcohol, there are different types of alcohol, but those drying alcohol, you need to avoid those toners. I think as you're applying it on your skin and it's making your skin feel squeaky dry, you think that's the best way. Honey, that is not the best way. It's actually the worst way. So avoid toners that have alcohol. And if you have sensitive skin, avoid toners with fragrance. So now, with everything that I have said in this video, are toners necessary in your skincare routine? Now, before I answer the question, let me know down in the comment section below, are toners necessary with everything I have said? Let me know right now before I tell you guys the answer. Don't cheat. Answer it right now. Answer it right now. Okay? So, are toners necessary? No. So why did I say toners are not necessary? Keyword necessary. When you want to talk about skincare products that are necessary, cleansers, moisturizers, sunscreens are necessary in your skincare routine, but a toner is not necessary. A toner is beneficial. When I say necessary, I mean compulsory, that if you don't have a toner in your skincare routine, your skin is going to be damaged or you are missing out on something. No, if your skincare routine does not have toner and your skin is doing pretty good, you don't need a toner. Now, a toner can be beneficial for people with dry skin, people with dehydrated skin, because of that added layer of hydration your skin needs. And it's also going to be beneficial for people with oily skin. It's not compulsory, but it's beneficial. It's a nice thing to have. Another thing, if you have toners that contains actives, good actives that your skin needs, and you're trying to treat a skincare problems, having a toner with those important active is important. It's beneficial, but it's not necessary. If you have the extra money to splurge on a toner, be my guest, fine by me. I mean, look at me, I use this toner every day and I like the toner. It's a good toner, but it's not necessary. So if you have the extra money to splurge on a toner, fine by me, go ahead and do it, no hey problema. But when you are trying to save money, you're trying to cut down costs, you're trying to break your skin down, your skincare routine down to the simplest way, you don't want any extra bluff, because you don't want to do all those 7-step 8-step skincare routine. You just want to do as basic as you possibly can, then you don't actually need a toner. But toners are quite nice to have. So guys, what do you think about everything I've just said? Do you think that toners are necessary? Let me know in the comment section below. Thank you guys so much for watching this video, and thank you guys for following along with my vlogmas, posting every single day. Okay, thank you. Okay, please subscribe to my channel and also give this video a thumbs up. If you want to see me outside of YouTube, you can check me out on Instagram, Twitter, Facebook, Pinterest, TikTok, or Mathildaduku. If you guys want to see my video where I talked about exfoliating, I'm going to leave it up. I'm going to leave it up here for you to check it out, so you know more about exfoliating, and I'll leave my skincare playlist right here for you to follow along. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye.